Alright, hello and welcome to my presentation of my final project for CS50P. My name is Keegan Dimmick. I'm from Greenville, South Carolina, and I decided to make a historical weather data plotting tool for my final project. So the goal of this tool is to sort of be used to study and help visualize weather trends over time, and the tool can also be used to compare weather patterns between different locations in the U.S. So how does it work? First, the user runs the code using Python project.py, and then the user will be asked to input a desired number of years as an integer, and they'll also be asked to input a US zip code, a valid US zip code. The tool then uses the desired number of years value and today's date to calculate start and end dates, and this is just the time period in which the weather data will be gathered from. The tool also uses retrieve his data function from the World Weather Organization library, and uses the US zip code and the dates it calculated to generate a CSV file of the gathered weather data. Then the tool will use a Python library to read data from the CSV file and organize it into a data series. It'll convert this data series from degrees Celsius to degrees temperature, degrees Fahrenheit, and then it will create a plot of this weather data. Alright, so now I'm going to do a quick demonstration of the tool. First we're going to run it, and then we're going to input a number of years, I'll say 3. Put a valid zip code, 29615, which is a Greenville zip code. So now what the code is doing is it's gathering all of the weather data from the past 3 years, because that's the number of years I decided on, and it's going to input this. It's going to create a CSV file and a PNG data file based on this data, and it's collecting the temperature data. So you see we have a CSV file here, a PNG file, and so here we have graphed the maximum daily temperature and the minimum daily temperature over the past 3 years in the 29615 zip code. And you have days on the x-axis and temperature Fahrenheit on the y-axis.